What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip-hop dance class where I teach you the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip-hop choreography. Alright, so today's move we're going to work on is what I call a ball change with a heel twist. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dancing to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today we will be combining our heel twist with our ball change. So if you don't know how to do either of those moves, be sure to check out my previous tutorials I've done on those before you come to this one. Alright, so first we're going to take it slow. I'm going to break it down to 3 steps and then we'll speed it up with faster counts. So I'm going to start with my right foot out already. So from here, with my right foot out, I am just going to focus on my heel twist first. So I'm going to think again, whatever direction I want my body to go, that's where I want my toe to go. Okay, so I'm gonna put all my weight into my heel and I want my toe to point to the right because I want my body to go to the right. So at the same time, I'm gonna do a back crossover step here. Okay, so if you haven't seen that, again, all I'm doing is I'm doing a back crossover and I'm twisting my toe to the right and putting my energy into my heel on my right leg. So let's try that again. So I'm going back over here. From here, I'm gonna do a ball change. So from here, I'm gonna go over my right foot, and then I'm gonna ball change to my left foot over here. Okay, so one more time. I'm here, I'm already crossed over. Now I'm gonna go right foot back, and then left foot forward. So when I take that step back, it's not like you have to go away from your center. I am trying to center my body here, just so I can center my body, just so I can take that step to the front. Okay, so let's try to put everything together. So first move, heel twist first. 1, stepping back. 2, left foot goes forward. 3. Okay, so heel twist, ball change. So let's try it again. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3. One more time. So 6, 7, 8. This goes twist, right, left. Okay, so once we're here, now it's time to repeat it on the other side. Okay, so again, if I want my body to go to my left and I'm focusing all my energy into my heel, I'm gonna want my toe to point to the left at the same time. So again, energy in my heel, toe points to the left, and at the same time I'm doing a back crossover step here. So one more time, I'm over here, my toe's gonna twist this way, step back here. Okay, so from here, we're gonna do that ball change. So my left foot's gonna step, center my body up, and I'm gonna go forward over here. Okay, so let's try it again. Left foot in front. I'm twisting. So this goes twist, left foot steps back, back, right foot forward. Try it again. Here we go. So 6, 7, 8. This goes to the left, left, right. Okay, so now let's try to go back and forth. So a little tip, if you want this to be a little bit bigger, then when I take that step to the front, I might want to turn my body and my toe a little bit to the other side just to make that a little bit bigger. That's kind of a stylistic choice, but that's totally up to you. Okay, so you can point it to the front. There's nothing wrong with that. You can't even point it here. It's just not going to be as big. So if you want it to be really big, just point your toe to the opposite direction and you can make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so here we go. So 6, 7 to the right. 8, this goes right, right, left, left leg, left, left, right again, right, right, left, left leg, left, left, right. All right, so let's put it together with some slow counts and then we'll speed it up and put some and counts into that. So with this one, we want to go, every step is a count. So 1, 2, 3. On our 4, we're just going to pause just to like let it breathe, and then we'll try the other side. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6. Slow it down. This goes 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4. All right, so now speed it up just a little bit. We'll add some and counts into it. And for this one, I'm just gonna go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. But that doesn't mean you have to do this move to those specific counts. This is just a variation of how we're gonna work with it today. Okay, so think in your mind, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But count wise, it's going 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, right leg, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. One more time, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna turn it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, speed it up. Go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and again. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to hit that subscription button and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. so key takeaways with this one, whatever direction I'm about to step with that back crossover, for now, that's where you want your toe to point, okay? So that way you don't get confused where your toe should be going. If I'm going to my right, my toe is gonna twist to my right. If I'm going to my left, my toe is gonna twist to the left. And then, and second thing, in your mind, you wanna think, in the end, you're just stepping left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so that's the basics of it, but in the end, we're just adding that little twist, just make it a little fancier to twist over to the other side. Okay, so last thing also is, if you want to make that twist a little bit bigger, go ahead and point that foot a little bit farther away from the direction you're about to go. That way it looks a lot bigger when you step versus already stepping here and then doing just a small twist. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.